Ice Marine presents our high-quality ignition coil for OMC, Johnson, and Evinrude Outboards. This coil matches OEM numbers 582508 and 0582508 with equivalent part numbers including OMC/Johnson/Evinrude 512227, 512227, Sierra 18-5179, GLM 72010, and Mallory 9-23107. It fits an extensive range of engines, from 3.5 horsepower all the way up to 300 horsepower, delivering strong ignition performance and reliable engine starting. For more information, visit www.iceboatparts.com, email seller at icemarine.cc, or reach us on WhatsApp at +8 86966 468632.